Workday is a cloud-based enterprise resource planning system that provides integrated solutions for human resources, finance, payroll, and other organizational functions. Here's how to use Workday. Login. Access Workday through a web browser using your credentials provided by your organization. Dashboard. Upon login, you'll be greeted with a personalized dashboard that displays relevant information, tasks, and notifications. Navigation. Use the intuitive navigation menu to access various modules and functionalities within Workday, such as HR, finance, payroll, time tracking, and reporting. HR management. Manage employee data, including personal information, job history, benefits, performance evaluations, and organizational hierarchies. Employees can also use self-service features to update their information and request time off. Finance. Perform financial tasks such as budgeting, accounting, procurement, and expense management. Monitor financial performance through customizable reports and analytics. Payroll. Process payroll, manage compensation, and track employee time and attendance. Ensure compliance with tax regulations and labor laws. Reporting and analytics. Generate custom reports and dashboards to analyze workforce trends, financial metrics, and operational performance. Integration. Workday seamlessly integrates with other systems and applications, allowing data to flow between different platforms for a holistic view of organizational operations.